XtremepowerUS 3200W electric power disc cutter, a comprehensive review. The XtremepowerUS 3200W electric power disc cutter is making waves in the world of cutting tools, and after putting it through its paces, it's clear why. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and performance. Lightweight and powerful, this circular saw boasts a remarkable power-to-weight ratio, making it a lightweight yet potent tool. Its low vibrations reduce strain, ensuring maximum productivity without compromising on performance. Double protection switch. Safety is paramount, and the double protection switch prevents accidental openings, ensuring a secure cutting environment. Additionally, the integrated waterline feeds water to the blade, effectively reducing dust and enhancing blade longevity. Powerful 3200-watt motor. With a robust 3200-watt motor, this cutter breezes through tough materials like granite, porcelain, and concrete with ease. Its impressive power ensures efficiency and precision in every cut. Extraction dust port. Equipped with an extraction dust port, this cutter efficiently vents cutting debris, maintaining a clean cutting surface. The metal guard design further enhances safety by preventing sparks during operation. Versatile wet or dry use. Whether you're cutting wet or dry, this tool delivers. Its dual integrated dust management system effectively removes dust from the job site. For wet cuts, the built-in water feed attachment, controlled by a convenient valve, minimizes dust while optimizing blade performance. User experiences. Feedback from users reflects positively on the cutter's performance. While it may not be suitable for heavy professional use, it's ideal for personal projects like wall construction. Some users recommend using the water fitting to reduce dust, while others note the necessity of cutting slowly due to its electric power source. Despite occasional circuit breaker trips, attributed to its high amperage demand, users appreciate its flawless operation, minimal vibrations, and reliable power. Its heavy build ensures stability during operation, although cutting through tough materials may require patience and multiple passes. Final verdict. In conclusion, the XtremepowerUS 3200W electric power disc cutter offers excellent value for its price. While it may not rival higher-end models costing thousands of dollars, it performs admirably for personal projects and occasional use. Its combination of power, safety features, and versatility make it a worthy addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit.